I'm here with my friend Monica and Joey and Natalie in the Peanuts. Oh, okay, there she is. And Monica has challenged me with a 7-minute eye makeover. Something that she can do in real life every day. 7 minutes. We have Natalie who set a timer. And I'm also challenged with using minimal brushes because that is the average woman, and the color she already has in her palette. She has a medium to dark brown and kind of a medium, kind of a champagne shimmer. Now, Monica, can you please tell the audience what you have learned today? And what you can commit to doing on a daily basis in 5 minutes.
Smudging eyeliner is very important to make it soft.
Natalie, what did you learn today?
Today I learned the power of concealer and how it can just make someone look so much more awake.
Wow! Really?
And shining.
Really?
Yes.
And I discovered that I can do an everyday makeup on somebody else using some pro techniques and also real life techniques in under 5 minutes. Let's do this.
Okay.
And the brushes I will be using, just 3. A kind of a big fluffy brush, a blending brush, and an eyeliner smudger brush. So I think in reality most women will probably have this or this, but please give me an eyeshadow smudging brush. This is actually a concealer brush. So in real life, if you have a concealer brush for your blemishes, you can also use it for your eyeliner as well. So I'm gonna show Monica how to use an eyeliner and smudge it so it can blend in with her eyeshadow. A lot of women don't really smudge their eyeliner, they just kind of paint it on and leave it as is. So let's use it to our advantage and do a look. All right.
We're in 5.
Let's get started. Ooh, this is looking a little dark for every day. Let's go with it though. It's really hard to not do this with my brushes. Okay, you have a skin tone shade, right? If you don't, I think that you need to invest in one because that is a good thing to have.
What's a skin tone shade?
Like, just like a flesh tone shade.
Like shadow?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, you won't be looking fancy at work.
Is it too fancy?
How much time's left?
You still have 6 minutes left.
I think I did it in like a 2-minute mentality.
Mm.
It's very well blended.
It can actually, so taking the brush and on the top part, blending, smudging the top part. Blending eyeliner is time consuming, but it like really helps. Monica just told me that her right eye is smaller than her left eye. So one trick is that you can make the right eye appear larger, or if you have a smaller eye, by applying a thicker eyeliner.
Oh my. Oh my god, I hope
What?
she puts that on there. Oh, interesting.
What?
Just the lift.
Dude, I'm MacGyvering this like no tomorrow. I'm basically taking this brush and smashing it between my fingers to make it thinner and more dense. Dude, I've never done that trick before. I've done it like with other brushes on other areas of my face, but not like that. MacGyver. Then, rather than putting shimmer all over, just the center of the lid. You want to blend like higher and blend, because your eyeshadow is usually just like in your lid area and it's not gradiated. Okay. How much time do we have, Natalie? I think that was like a 5-minute makeup.
We have 1 minute and 7 seconds.
Yeah, that was a 5-minute makeup.
Joey's so good.
That was 7 minutes that you did that.
That was probably 5.
That's true.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you did with the eyeliner.
I see the list.
Oh, on this right here.
Yeah.
Nice. I like the faded eyeliner though.
Yeah.
That's a cool trick.
I think I could do that every day.
Yeah. You don't wear concealer?
Mm-mm.
Oh my gosh. Let's do concealer. That's the 7-minute makeup. I will show you how different it looks. Okay.
But BB cream for life.
Conceal that under eye.
Seriously. You need under eye concealer.
I have no under eye.
Yes, you do, homegirl. Wait, are you in denial or were you joking?
No, I'm being serious.
Okay. She doesn't think she has under eye circles.
Oh yeah?
Please.
I don't.
I think you're in denial.
It looks the same.
No.
No, it doesn't. It made your eyes bright.
Denial ain't a river in Egypt.
It's too much work. And it fades by the end of the day.
It fades by the end of the day because you are not setting it.
What's that?
It says loose powder. I'm gonna use a cotton round. Girl, I'm being so low maintenance and MacGyver with you right now.
That's what we need though, because that's all we have.
I'm gonna stamp it.
What does that do? It sets the
Sets it
concealer.
so it lasts all day.
What's baking?
It's just putting a ton of loose powder underneath to like absorb all the moisture.
Are you baking?
No.
Oh.
Baking is like a lot. Like you put on a thick layer and you let it absorb and then you brush away.
Oh, that looks so
It
good.
looks the same.
No.
She's
Listen,
in
honey,
denial.
you look awake now, right?
So rude!
You look awake. Good morning.
Excuse you.
It made a significant difference.
Really?
Yes. And I can also see your shadow. You look tired without it.
Okay, first of all, Joey is being so freaking cute. He's tired because I took him around all day. Okay. She discovered that she will discover when we watch this video playback that she actually has dark circles under her eyes and her life is going to change because she's going to need to buy some concealer.
Yoo-hoo!
Wow!
That looks good.